What's restricted versus unrestricted funding, and what's general operating? Let's talk about money with strings attached and money that comes with freedom. Restricted funding means the donor or funder decides how you can use it. They might say, we're giving you this grant, but it has to go towards that program or project or event, and it has to be spent by this date. Unrestricted funding means you can use the money where you need it most. Multiple projects, artist stipends, your storage unit, website, emergencies, whatever you want. When you hear general operating support or GenOps, that's unrestricted funding for your whole organization. It's what keeps the lights on and the team paid. Project support is restricted. It's for that one show or event and often doesn't cover admin or infrastructure unless you budget those in from the start. Here's an important distinction. If you set money aside for something specific, that's not restricted. That's designated. True restrictions only come from the funder or donor. So when you apply for project-based funding, make sure you build in real costs, staff time, access needs, tech, marketing, admin, not just the artistic stuff. And when you get unrestricted funding, that's gold. It means the funder trusts you to lead, and we love to see it.